The last teaser Toyota released of its updated TRD Pro line showed all three trucks, but they were way off in the distance so we couldn't see much. The teaser shown above rectifies the distance issue by zooming in on the 2019 Toyota Tacoma. Much of it is obscured by dust, but we can see at least one particularly unique addition, an intake snorkel. For those who might not know, an intake snorkel can provide a couple of possible benefits for an off-road vehicle. They can help prevent the intake from pulling in water when driving through streams and rivers. They can also, as American Expedition Vehicles advertises with some of its snorkels, help reduce the amount of dust pulled into the intake by getting air from higher up. But regardless of the exact purpose of Toyota's snorkel, the point is that it's a useful addition for those who do a lot of off-road driving. It's also yet to be seen whether this snorkel will be standard equipment or an optional accessory. Aside from the snorkel, we don't see any other exterior changes to this Tacoma TRD Pro. The lights, grills and bumper seem to be the same as the current model. So it's possible that this latest version has a few extra off-road improvements, but likely nothing too radical. We'll know for sure when it makes its official debut at the Chicago Auto Show.